I would like to welcome, thank you, ma'am. I would like to welcome our guest speaker, Dr. Yatish Kumar Satyanarayan Joshi, Sir, Professor from Maharashtra Institute of Dental Science and Research, India. I find it immensely fortunate to be given this opportunity to welcome you to give your valuable speech, sir. Welcome, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Shall I share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen shared? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Dr. Yatish Joshi. I've been greetings from MIDSR Dental College, Latur. So, I will be speaking on a very different and unique topic. And some of you might feel that it is very controversial, but I think that someone has to speak on it. So, I will begin. So, title of my lecture is the conundrum of identity or prerogative of choice. You will understand it in due course. So, all of us are dentists. So, what is a dentist? A dentist is a dental surgeon, a medical professional who specializes in dentistry, which is a specialty of medicine that deals with the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of illness and ailments. With evidence of over a millennium, and the first dental school organization and doctor of dental surgery degree were created around 2 centuries ago. So, dentistry is a well-established profession. Dentistry has become a few specializations of dentistry are among the highly respected and compensated occupations. So, despite of all these, can anyone tell me, have you come across these things in any movies or series or in your real life that you are just a dentist and dentist is not a real doctor? Please give your options in the comments. Has anyone come across these things in any movie, series, or in real life? Okay. So that is what conundrum of identity. It can be frustrating to come about across debates like are dentists actual doctors or similar themes, which have been accumulating for decades. I don't think this conversation is necessary yet. Out of insecurities, dentists and dental students frequently adopt a defensive posture. They don't feel good about this thing. You might not know, but there have been instances where dentists have lobbied to be entitled to use the title such as doctor. But despite their triumph, many have chosen to do so. So the title doctor is medical professional is governed by a constitutional regulation. There are two types of doctors, that is an academic title or a professional title. A doctorate PhD is commonly referred as a doctor. Not all countries permit to use the term doctor in their prefix. This is a table which shows that every country has different regulation for the use of prefix term doctor. Only few countries like Bangladesh, India, Hong Kong, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and few American and European countries permit the use of term doctor. So is it important? Is it actually important to use the term? So for that, we should know ourselves. We should know what a doctor is. According to Webster Dictionary, a doctor is a person who specializes in the art of healing. A physician, dentist, or a veterinarian who especially holds an advanced degree and is licensed to practice. It also includes a person who has received the highest academic degree or a PhD or a doctorate from a university. And what is a dentist? Dentist is a person with qualification of Doctor of Dental Surgery, which is one among the various degrees awarded across the globe. There are other degrees such as Doctor of Dental Medicine, Bachelor of Dentistry, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, Doctor of Dentistry, and so on. And similarly, there are multiple degrees for at post-graduation level. So getting into dental school, fulfilling all the criteria mandated by the curriculum and completing 5 to 6 years of intensive clinical training gives you not just a degree, but a variety of professional and career skills beyond technical knowledge and clinical expertise. With the diversities and globalization of healthcare education and healthcare industry, a dentist job options are no longer confined to academic or clinical dentistry. Dentist is sometimes rightfully called as a combination of a doctor, artist, scientist, engineer, and businessman. And they are free to apply their skills in any way they deem fit. But what skill do dental school and colleges teach their students, as well as the benefit of the professions? So these are the most important characteristics that every dentist actually possesses after the completion of their course. And they are very important skills that they gain. First is professionalism. A dentist is trained to be a professional who is competent, reliable, honest, accountable, and remains cool and calm under pressure. Being organized and disciplined reduces stress in career and life, allowing them to focus on providing quality care. Critical thinking. Dentistry is a very demanding profession. Every patient presents with a unique atypical clinical presentation. The mouth is a mirror of human body. Many systemic conditions manifest orally in early stages. Critical thinking ability is necessary to analyze, identify, and differentiate the true nature of problem underlying the clinical manifestation. They consider things carefully and accept the unknown in order to learn from their mistakes. They are a good communicator. Taking the time to comprehend patient's concern and being able to dwell deeper into the understanding the underlying nature of the problem rather than rushing into diagnosis, as many patients may not be able to convey their difficulties effectively. A good dentist is also a strong communicator who not only carefully listens to the patient's concern, but also educates them about the problem, preventive measures, and step-by-step procedures for dealing with them. Altruism. This is a very important feature of a dentist. Most dental patients put off getting care because they are unaware of their dental problems. They only seek help from a dentist after the disease has developed to a point of causing pain, acute discomfort, or disfigurement. In such a case, the patient is nervous, agitated, and conscious that he should have arrived sooner. A kind and concerned dentist with a strong desire to assist others and to meet their needs can put them at ease and encourage them to discuss their issues and seek help. It even helps them to service the community. Dentists raise awareness in the community about oral health, dental care measures, prevalent oral diseases, and their preventions, because oral care is one of the most neglected element of the health across all classes of society and across all age groups. They hope to improve the general health and well-being of the society by offering community services that lessen the burden of disease on the community. Artistic. Good manual dexterity is developed in dentistry, as all the procedures are performed in a small area, that is in mouth, using fast and sharp instruments. Excellent eye-to-hand coordination are a basic requirement for dental practice. Being a detailed-oriented person and artistic helps working with smile designing and occlusion, which needs high precision, where slight mismatch or imbalance can have devastating effects. Dentists are also having leadership, networking, and collaborating abilities. They learn to network and collaborate with their specialists and physicians, as well as to work as a team to provide holistic treatment to the practice. The practice of dentistry is a team sport, not a one-man show. The correctly managing their team has a significant impact on the patient's perception of the dentist, as well as establishing reputation and credibility among the patient base and dentist community. Leadership ability aid in operation of more effective, efficient dental patient practice. They are good at negotiation and conflict resolution skills. Individuals in dentistry have the advantage of starting their own practice immediately after completing their degree. So they must take a lot of decisions, be able to make smart ones. It could be about picking a practice site, employing an associate or assistant, or discussing pay and fees. Negotiation abilities come helpful on a regular basis. When making decisions, it's critical to be an active listener, retaining emotional control and adhere to ethical standards. Not every circumstance is will be beneficial, or not every decision will be approved all the time. Therefore, when a disagreement arises, the dentist must remain calm and take reasonable approach to resolving the matter. Lifelong learner. Fast evolving technology and science have resulted in explosion of knowledge, including in dentistry. Likewise, we are doing a conference today, which is sharing our knowledge regarding the advancements. Dentists are motivated to learn new skill, gain new knowledge, and adopt new technology in order to deliver the best possible treatment and care to the patients. These measures also enhance the faith and belief in their dentist. They also share the newly acquired information, competence, and experience with other members of the dental society and professional groups in order to improve the profession as a whole. They are also role models. We might not realize, but there are many students and junior practitioners who look up to us. At times when meeting the demands of the profession becomes challenging, we have to uphold the honor and dignity of the profession, as many aspiring students and graduate dentists look up to their senior practitioners, researchers, and academicians as role models. Providing them with a positive outlook and motivational perspective is to prevent them from getting astray. Lastly, multitasking. In addition to all the responsibilities of the profession and society, dentists have a personal life, a family to care for, passion outside dentistry, personal, physical, and mental health, and social commitments. They strike the right balance between their profession and personal life, which is critical to overall health. Multitasking is a myth. Rather, it is finishing each activity so quickly that it appears that you are multitasking. Nonetheless, with skills and ability acquired, the dentist may effortlessly manage several duties. So with all these skills and abilities that we gain during our undergraduate training or postgraduate training, we should not be dependent upon a choice of career. We should be having a prerogative of choice. That is, we should having an arena of choices. We should choose what we want to be. We can be a doctor or a clinician to practice clinical dentistry, treat the patient, a condition of patient and oral diseases. We can be a teacher or academician to further learn and teach the future generation. We can be a scientist or researcher to unravel the newer knowledge regarding the technology and science of dentistry. We can assist and we can be artists and cosmetologists, designing smiles and improving facial aesthetics of patients. We can be an influencer or a social worker by serving the community at own or in collaboration with multiple social organizations. Engineer and technical experts in collaboration with industry can aid in development of future technologies of dentistry. Most importantly, we can be a businessman or an entrepreneur. In the digital era and internet world, the innovative ideas of many dentists have shaped the future of dental industry. Chain of dental clinic, academies, laboratories, as well as manufacturing, productions, and distribution industries of dental material are owned or run by dentists. E-commerce has added a huge further scope for improvisation in field. Many startups in the field of online services and collaboration are being explored, and success has quite a few. For example, we are conducting online workshops, we are conducting online conferences. All these are new arenas that are being explored by dentists. The organizers of this event are also dentists. And even the panel members in this conference are very successfully exploring the various arenas of different career options after pursuing the dentistry. Administration and management. With additional courses, many dentists have established in hospital and institutional administration as well as managerial roles. So everyone is a genius. With a diverse set of talent and ample opportunities, the dentist has a plethora of opportunities for career options. Therefore, why limit yourself to be a doctor when you can be so much more? Many countries do not use the prefix doctor to refer even for a medical practitioner. Therefore, comparing and campaigning for title and addresses is superfluous. In the end, I would like to tell that Albert Einstein quoted, "Everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid." So don't judge yourself by what others think. Focus on your strength and work on your weakness, and in no time you will be far ahead of where you started. Thank you, everyone. I would like to thank Dr. Sunita Vaga and Dr. Venu Gopal for giving their support and guidance in preparing this write-up. And I also like to thank APA Dento and Dr. Elizabeth for providing me this opportunity. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing a powerful message and a beautiful, innovative knowledge with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.